Welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this Honda Pilot 2022 and we're going to install the taillight tints for this vehicle. So this is how the vehicle looks before the installation. This is your regular default taillight lens. The tint will provide protection with the lens from yellowing over time, as well as cover from any small road debris or any small scratches that may hit the taillight. Link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean the lenses. So we need to wipe any contaminants that are on the lens. So we just apply our slip solution and just make sure we clean the whole taillight piece that we're going to work on. So with this one, you just want to apply slip solution on the lens and on the tint as well. And we're going to start off by aligning it on this edge here first. So once it's positioned to this edge here, we want to tack it down with tack solution. So just lift the film, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, hold it in position and squeegee it in place. That way it doesn't move. Once this piece is tacked down, we're just going to need to stretch the film just a bit in order to reach this edge here. And then once you have it on the edge, then we could tack it down in position. So for this piece, it'll be the same. Just apply slip solution on the lens as well as on the tint. And with this one, we are going to start off from this edge here. So align the film right on the edge here. So make sure it's covering the bottom and it aligns here. Once you have it in position, just use your tack solution, tack it down. And right here, we just finished squeegeeing the rest. So now that we finished tacking down this piece, we're just going to apply tack solution on the edges of the film. That way we make sure we seal it with heat. So just grab your microfiber towel and with the heat gun and seal all the edges around. So check around the area, make sure the film isn't lifting. That way once we install this piece here, it will overlap and the film won't peel over time. Now to finish off the tint, apply slip solution. With this one, we need to align it right on the edge here and then just lay the film down so you can work on this piece first. Once you have it on the edge, lift the film piece here just a bit, apply tack solution underneath and on the top, and now just squeegee so we can secure this spot. So now we're just moving on to the rest of the film, making sure we remove all of the solution on the back. And now here, all you need to do is just lift the film just a bit, apply slip solution, lay it down, and you are going to see you have this small finger. Wipe it to get a better grip. So just stretch it lightly. As long as you reach this piece here to the edge, that's where you need to stop the stretch. So hold it in position, and now the finger that you had here, it's not as big as it was before, the stretch. So now we could just seal it, tack it down, and tack the rest of the film down. So now that we have everything tacked down here, the last thing is just applying tack solution on the edge here. So just go all around here. So just apply heat all around the edge, and then with your microfiber towel, just help it tack down. That way the microfiber towel absorbs the solution that's underneath the film. And that's it. This piece is secured. Make sure it's not lifting. And if it is, just continue sealing it. But this piece should be good. As you can see, nothing of the film is lifting. Now we move on to post-heating. Okay, to finish off the installation, the last thing to do for every installation once you finish installing is post-heating. So the way to go about post-heating is just applying your tack solution all around the edges and anywhere on the tint where you overlap the tint with the other tint. And from there is just grabbing your microfiber towel and with heat, just to help the adhesive heal faster and it tacks down more faster to the lens. And that's it, you're done. And that concludes the installation video for the Honda Pilot 2022 taillight tint. If you guys do have any questions in regards to the installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. We hope that this video helped you guys out for the installation. Please make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.